Alrighty, back with another video on TN Outdoor Adventures, and we got a little freeze overnight. Some chickens over here. What are you doing? Just gonna give them some food here. This is all frozen. So, yeah. All the top is all frozen. What happened there? Don't know. Anyway. About like 8 in the morning, 8:39ish actually. Sorry, probably 8:39. And going out to feed the chickens. Talk about some other stuff. Got some eggs in an incubator. We know 4 are for sure forming. We just don't know about the other ones. Oh, that's frozen. Just have to break that open. Let's see. Bang on it. Yeah, my hand is cold. It's pretty cold out here. I think it's like 30 degrees. Try the elbow. There we go. Oh, that's not gonna go. Never mind. Okay, so we're gonna do this a different way. Let's go around here. What if I just climb over that? Yeah. Good. Just in case. I think I might have to open a new bag of food. It's pretty chilly out here. It's very foggy. We're supposed to get some like snow. Possibly. It's mainly just supposed to ice over. Oh, look at that. Ooh. That's all ice. All ice. Yeah, that's cold. That is ice. Just straight ice. Oh, yeah, man. That's cold. That's cold. The hinges are not sounding very good either. Alright. My favorite, Amber, and then we got Sky, Freedom, Nugget, Shadow, Storm. Okay, the rooster, I know, his name is Sweetie. His name is Sweetie. We got Purdy, because she used to have a little mohawk and eyeliner. And this is our rooster. What you doing, buddy? Look at his tail. Just waving in the wind. You got big. Purdy. It's probably not gonna like that. I'm gonna walk away from it, but we'll see how this goes. He's probably gonna go after me. Oh, he's watching me. He's watching me very carefully. Very carefully. Watch, if I keep walking, he keeps walking. At least I have to whop him with. If he doesn't. Woodpecker. Don't worry, I'm not going after them. I'm not gonna hurt them, I promise. I'll kick you. Don't do it. I think we're good. Maybe not. Nope. Here it goes. There it goes. Now you're scared, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Go. Hey, no, it's not. It doesn't really hurt. It's just that he does it. Now we'll get to something back over there that I will show you. Just not yet. First, we gotta feed the chickens. That was a little fix. If they already know I'm gonna feed them. They're coming running over. I'm too. My knife. Oh, yeah, by the way, this knife is by Rook. It's got a really nice handle. Shut up. Shut up. Stop. Gosh, it's hard getting through there. Okay. Alright. Yeah, buddy. Easy now, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. So, I want to show you something back here that I made completely by hand. Well, some power tools because I use screws. But other than that, I made it all by hand, chopped up the wood and everything. Dug out something. I'm ready to show you. I haven't showed this yet. This will be the first time this is on my channel. It's pretty exciting. So, right here, we've got my fire pit. I cleared out this little area. This bench is handmade, like completely handmade. Made it myself. It's all iced over, so I'm not really gonna sit on that. So is that. You could see that, look at that. It's all iced over. So, but yeah, all handmade, pretty sturdy. I mean, it's not gonna go anywhere. I did have to add a separate support because this one did go wrong and split the wood partly right there. But yeah, it's a pretty good little bench. I do need to add another bar on the top. This one did split for some reason. I don't know why. Too cold to put back. Yeah, that's how cold it is out right now. That's all ice on there. That white, it's all ice. Wow. But this fire pit's done some good. It's done some fires about up to here. This is a decent height. That's how I was trying to get going, but it never really did. So. Whatever. And yeah, I just want to explain one more thing. Just go over one more thing. And that's about our chicken coop. Now we are planning to clear half of this, or maybe even all of it. Just leave the bigger trees and all that kind of stuff, but that's later on. What we want to do is move this chicken coop over here so it's lengthwise. So it's not as in the way of our view into the really cool looking woods over here. So it'll be here instead. So the coop will be over there and it'll come to about here. And then I'll have all this to just roam and all kinds of stuff. This is our neighbor's property. They don't even, I think they abandoned the house. I'm not really sure what the situation is with this house, but it's right here. You can kind of see it. I don't know. Here. Through here. So this is their property. The house is right up there. I don't know if you can see that. It's right there. There's a little pond right there where those big pine trees are. It's very foggy out. And my hand is freezing from filming. So, alright, I think that'll be it for this video. And please like and subscribe. Comment on what I should do next, or in future videos what I should do. And thanks for watching. See you next time.